Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. One hadith, one story. The talented child. 3 women were returning from the market with baskets in their hands. They sat on a bench in order to take a break. They started to talk about their children. The first woman mentioned how active her son was and said that he could walk on his hands for several minutes. The second woman said her son could sing very well and that everyone loved his singing. The other woman asked her why she hadn't said anything. My son has no special talent I can boast of. An old man who was passing by overheard their conversation and decided to follow them. When the woman came to the street on which they lived, they stopped again to rest, leaving their baskets on the ground. Their children saw them and came running to their mothers. The first woman's son was turning cartwheels. The second woman's son started to sing one of his mother's favorite songs. All the women applauded him. The third woman's son came and asked, "Shall I help you, Mom?" and picked up the basket. The woman stopped the old man and asked him what he thought of their talented children. "I saw only one talented boy," he said. "He is the one that is running to help his mother to carry her basket. He has behaved in accordance with the following hadith of our Prophet ﷺ. I advise everyone to serve their mother." Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.